Hello and welcome to this guide on real estate investing. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of investing in real estate, setting your investment goals, financing your investments, finding the right property, and of course, managing your investments effectively. Firstly, let's define real estate. Real estate refers to properties such as land, buildings, or houses. Investing in real estate can be a great opportunity because it offers multiple benefits, such as generating passive income, building long-term wealth, and providing a lot of great tax benefits. So now that we understand the benefits of real estate investing, let's talk about setting your investment goals. It's crucial to set clear goals before starting your real estate investing journey. We recommend using the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. To set your goals, it's essential to have a plan and stay organized in achieving these goals. Next, let's discuss financing your real estate investments. There are various ways to finance your investments, including traditional bank loans, private loans, and partnerships. Each financing option has its pros and its cons. It's important to choose the option that best fits your situation. Having a solid credit score and building relationships with lenders can also help you secure financing for your investments. Now that you have set your goals and secured your financing for your investments, let's talk about finding the right property. To find the right property, consider factors such as location, condition, potential cash flow. It's crucial to do your due diligence by getting the property inspected and research local real estate market trends. Negotiating the best deal and avoiding common mistakes can also help you make the most out of your investment. Lastly, let's discuss managing your real estate investments. Effective property management is crucial for your investment success. You can hire a property manager or a management company to help you with property management tasks. Maintaining good tenant relationships and keeping up with the property maintenance can also help you maximize your investment returns. In conclusion, real estate investing can be a great opportunity to generate passive income, build long-term wealth, and provide tax benefits. Remember to set clear goals, choose the best financing option for your situation, find the right property, and manage your investments effectively. We encourage you to take action and start your real estate investing journey today. For further learning and support, we recommend checking out other resources as real estate investing books, courses, and online communities. Make it a great day.